Hi guys and welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we have this new video here from leftover wool. I had some more wool of this color here, and these like super bright colors. We have pink, pastel, yellow, and like a petrol and a little bit of white. So yeah, super cute. I made a kid scarf out of this, about 90 centimeters long and maybe 12 centimeters wide. All of it is, super cozy. I'm going to show you the wool in a second. And then obviously also how I did this. And have fun! Okay guys, so here we are with the Caron Cake. This is actually, just leftover wool. We have, it used to be 280 grams and we have maybe 115 left. So a little less than half. This is 100% acrylic and meant for size 8 crocheting hooks, and that's exactly what I'm going to use. And this color is sweet and sour. Makes a lot of sense here. It's the super bright colors here with some yellows and then also the pink, so sweet and sour. And yes, so what else do we have here that's important? We have the color. The color number is 17009. And yeah, exactly. Obviously the length here is also shorter because we've already used some of this. And yeah, let's get started. We will crochet this from the inside here. And I actually have rewound this this leftover wool here with a winder. So we start here with the white, and we're going to start here with an even number of chain stitches. I'm going to choose 12 here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so the wool is really nice and really easy to crochet with and works really well with the size of the hook here. And you can see here in the white even already, you can see some of the green here already. Okay, so here we go and skip the first stitch, and then we go back into the second one and do a slip stitch. So we pull the thread just through directly. Actually slipped here. So all the way through. Then we wrap it around, go into the next one and do a half double crochet. Then again a slip stitch. So we pull it straight through, then again a half double crochet and a slip stitch, half double crochet. And I think you might have already understood this system or this pattern. So it's always a half double crochet and then a slip stitch. So we always just switch off between those two. Because I started with an even number of chain stitches here and we skipped the first one, we should have, at the end here, we should have a slip stitch. Okay, just like that. This is what it looks like. Okay, you can see we have kind of like these little bumps. Then we take a chain stitch here and then we turn it around and into the very first one. This is above the slip stitch. We go and do a slip stitch. So we will start every row with a slip stitch and we will end every row with a slip stitch, okay? And so in between that, we will always just go and switch off between slip stitches and single crochets. So you can, every time it kind of goes up a little bit where we have a little hill, like here, we go in and do a slip stitch. And every time where it's a little lower, we do a half double crochet. Okay, here slip stitch, half double crochet. And into the last one here, a slip stitch. So we always end and start with a slip stitch. And then we add a chain stitch here for height, and then we continue backwards. Obviously again here we start with a slip stitch, and then again half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, just always switching off. And I'm going to continue doing this here for a little bit, and I'll give you an update when I have progressed. Okay guys, so here's my update for you. I've crocheted a few more rows here, and I'm in the middle here of the green part. And yeah, you can see the structure here really nicely that we are achieving kind of with this pattern. So we have the switch off here between the slip stitches and the half double crochets, and that's how we get these, you know, kind of like diagonal, this diagonal pattern. And the back side is actually just the same. So we always, we should have the same pattern kind of on the back side. And yeah, I think that's always really nice when you can have the pattern on both sides. I have a little more to go here, and a few more colors. We have more green, then like the neon yellow, and then the pink and the pastel. And I will see you when I'm done. Okay, so here we are at the end of the leftover wool. And so I just measured it through. It's about 90 centimeters long. So yeah, a small child scarf, and I have about 12 centimeters in width. I'm gonna pull the thread through here and then pull it tight. Obviously here we're gonna have to go and hide the beginning and the end thread. This is where we have the little bit of white here, and then the scarf is done. So yeah, you can see how quick and easy this was. The pattern is super cute and really nice and compact with the slip stitches and the half double crochets. Nice and cozy, nice and warm, and I really hope that you guys liked this little video. If you did, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified about new videos when I release them. And I'll see you next time here at DIY Ideas. Bye!